Hello, my name is Kshitij and I'll present you my Animal Hub web application which I've created on Java, which consists of the servlet and JSP. It's kind of hybrid project. Now, as you can see, this is a registration page which completely shows up at the very beginning of the website. Now I'm going to register my username, which is like I like cat only. Now, this is completely random and my name is suppose Kshitij, and I'll put my password 123 and I'll register. Now as you can see, it's kinda registered. I like only cat. Now I'm going to enter my credentials, which is completely obvious about login page. Now this is very overwhelming. The best part of the project. This is the complete main page, the user page where user completely interacts with every single thing. And this kind of makes it a social media for the basic purposes. Now I'll explain you everything completely modular. Now this is good evening, which is completely dynamic. It will wish you good morning, good afternoon, and good evening according to your time zone. This is your username, which will show up when you log in. It's kind of basic, very obvious. And this is post. You can see there are different kind of people posting about dogs and cats, every single thing, and it completely show up here. Now there are different sections, different buttons which have different purpose in our website, which is the logout button. The logout button does is it logouts you. It's completely obvious, as you know. This is settings, this is post, and this is profile. And as it looks, this is completely self-explanatory. Now we'll go to profile. The profile page basically shows your username, your name, your password, every single detail which I have entered at the very beginning of the website. Now this is not overwhelming, but when you go to settings, you can see those two buttons up there, which is update and delete. Now I'm going to update some of my details. Now as suppose, now I want to set the ownership to Soham. I don't want to run this I like cat only page for the rest of my life. I want to give it to Soham. Let's try and put it Soham here, and let's change it. I like only I like I like cat and dog. This is kind of good name. And I'll keep my password 321. It's kind of hard to remember. I'll put it. I'll save it first. Now this was our username which we updated. Now we'll put 321 and I'll completely log in right now. Now as you can see, good evening. I like cat and dog. Though our username has been successfully completely changed, and here you can see the ownership is to Soham and blah blah blah. Completely obvious stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a thing. I'll let's see, I have a cat, or like I like my cat uh, fighting with my dog. Completely random post. My tag will be dog because I like dogs. I'll post it. Now as you can see, there is a new post here. I like my cat fighting with a dog. To show you my logout functionality, I'll just click log out and I'll be logging out my usernames. Now let's see, let's log out from account here. Like I like cat. It's a completely different account. Like you can see, the ownership is to Kshitij, so it's not the same. I can even see, like, yeah, I can even see that post now. Even I can post from here, and you can see like my dog is way too big and cute. Anyways, okay. Now I'll put dog. Like my tag is only dog. Now I'll put it. Now I can see there is a new post down here. Let's see if you can see this post from a different account now, which I like cat and dog. Okay, now let's log in, and as you can see, we can even see that post again. Now I'll show you something different, which is the delete functionality, and this is the only one left right now. And I'll click on delete, and as you can see, this takes us to the registration page. And if I try to log in, like I like cat and dog 321, it doesn't allow me. And this is all about my project.